Can whales be kept in captivity? If you have ever wondered whether whales can thrive in captivity, you are about to find out some surprising and important facts. Let us start with what we know about these incredible creatures. Whales, especially orcas, are highly intelligent and social animals. In the wild, they roam vast distances, sometimes traveling up to 100 miles in a single day and diving as deep as 1,000 feet. Their natural habitat is the ocean, where they have the space to hunt, navigate, and interact with their pods. Now, let us compare this to life in captivity. Tanks in marine parks are incredibly small, typically only 100 to 140 feet long, and 25 to 35 feet deep. This is a tiny fraction of the space whales need to live naturally. Imagine being confined to a room that is just a few steps in any direction. It is a far cry from the freedom of the ocean. In these tanks, whales cannot engage in their natural behaviors. They cannot dive, hunt, or even swim long distances. This lack of space and stimulation leads to serious health problems. For example, captive orcas often suffer from dorsal fin collapse due to the lack of water support, a condition almost never seen in wild orcas. They also experience skin problems, dental issues, and infections due to poor water quality and inadequate space. The social structure of whales is another critical aspect. In the wild, orcas live in complex family groups. In captivity, these groups are often disrupted, causing significant stress and suffering. Whales are frequently held in isolation or with unrelated animals, leading to aggression and social alienation. This can result in serious health consequences, including immune suppression, infectious diseases, and even death. Captive breeding programs for whales have also been unsuccessful in creating self-sustaining populations. Even though some species like bottlenose dolphins, orcas, and beluga whales have been bred in captivity, these programs rely on animals from the wild to maintain genetic viability. Moreover, captive-bred offspring are never released back into the wild, which is a crucial step for any conservation program. The documentary Blackfish highlighted the severe psychological impacts of captivity on orcas, including psychosis and violent behavior. These conditions are direct results of the stressful and unnatural living conditions in tanks. The film also showed how captivity affects not just the whales, but also the trainers and other staff involved, making it clear that captivity is not just harmful to the animals, but also dangerous for humans. In summary, while it might seem possible to keep whales in captivity, the facts clearly show that it is not a viable or humane option. Whales need the vastness of the ocean to thrive, and no tank can replicate that. The health, social, and psychological impacts of captivity are too severe, making it clear that whales belong in their natural habitat, not in tanks for human entertainment.